Hey guys, so today I'm just going to go over a couple things about how to set up your paper and then watch my other videos that I'm going to post for paragraphs and overall just a checklist to finish up your essay. So imagine this is your essay, or this is your document. I want to show you how to set up a couple things, and I'm going to post the directions below this video if you need it. But you need a running head, which goes in this corner. You don't actually need the lines or anything. I'm just trying to prove to you where it goes. And then you're going to put your last name, whatever that is. I can't write backwards, can I? Nope, okay. I'm going to write like this. Last name. And if you know, you need a page number. So in order to do that on your Google Drive document, you're going to go to Insert and then scroll down to Page Number. And then you're going to click the one that has it in the top right-hand corner. Once the page number's there, click to the left-hand side of the number, and then you're going to type your last name so that they both appear in that corner. And then let's go ahead and finish off our MLA header. So you are going to start in the top left-hand corner of your page. So here's the right, and then here's the left. And then you're going to put your full name. So first and then last name. Do you know what goes next? My name. You can just put Mrs. Downing. Like that. Do you guys know what goes next? My class, which is English. Technically, you are supposed to put the number, but today we're just going to put English. And then we have the date. So the date goes the day, the month spelled out, and then the year. So if we're doing it based off May 13th, it's going to look like this. 13 May 2020. The last thing we need to do is add a title. The title goes in the center, and we actually have to give it like an actual title. So if our essay is on Ruth Bader Ginsburg, then we're going to maybe title it Ruth Bader Ginsburg. If it's on the coronavirus, then maybe we'll put COVID-19 as our title. Doesn't have to be long and crazy. It's actually meant to be short. So that is how you do your MLA header. And check my next videos for paragraph and structure from there. A couple things I almost forgot. So here you have your header. You also need to make sure that your entire essay is double spaced. Once you type it, if you hit Command A, it'll highlight the whole paper. From there, you go onto your document and you hit the little bars, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. And then you just make sure it says double. While it's all highlighted, you also want to make sure that the font is all Times New Roman and 12-point font. Sometimes if you copy and paste stuff and include it into your website or whatever it might be, the font and the style change. So you need to make sure that you are making sure that this is consistent by hitting Command A and making sure that in the text it says Times New Roman and then 12-point font. Just because I wanted to show you guys how I did everything, if you go to Insert, Page Numbers, and then you click this one which has it in the top right-hand corner, there's my number. And then to the left, I'm going to type my last name. So I'm going to put last name because I don't want you guys to put Downing there. You'll actually put your own last name. And then I'm going to put my first and last name. And then I'm going to put Miss Downing, English, and then the date. To make sure the title is centered, I'm just going to hit this button right here. I'm going to add my title. And then I'm going to go back to the left-hand side of the page. And then here, I can type my essay. Great. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew how to, to make everything double-spaced in the correct font. So if you can see right here, it says Arial 12, and then the spacing says 1.15. I'm going to hit Command A. I'm going to change this to double, so using this arrow spacing. Then I'm going to hit Font, Times New Roman, and then Size 12. So so that it all is the same font, same size, same spacing.